Hello everyone, welcome back to this new video. Today we will talk about scam with English learner students. So both type scam. First of all guys, you have to understand what is scam. Scam means what you need but what you are going to do. Okay, like you want to speak English fluently, but mostly teachers are teaching you how to speak English fluently. This is very common way. But I think scheme of English teaching system, that is uh, teachers are teaching like you read more and more books, you read listen novels and newspapers, these type facts, but they, it's not a right way. If you want to speak English fluently, then only one way of working is more effective than other ways. Okay, that is you listen more and more. Okay, listen. What listen? If you want to improve your pronunciation skill, then you have to listen more and more music. Okay, English music. And if you want to speak which type English you want to speak, then this type English you have to listen more and more. Okay, and these type words which you want to learn. Okay, like I want to speak English in my school, but I want to speak in my relations and other my friend circle. This is different sequences here, because there are multiple types say English speaking meanings. Okay, and there are multiple types sentence structure, but you don't need learn sentence structure and spellings. You need only environment. Okay, when you speak more and more, and when you learn more and more with your types of environment people, that is most important. But if you are learning English grammar last 2 or 3 years, I have seen many people, they are learning English grammar last 10 or 30 years. Okay, so but they can't speak English fluently. That is the reason. You can't speak English without listening. Okay, you know your, if you want to speak like a native speaker, then you have to understand native speakers way of speaking and their sentence structure types. Okay, if you are learning English, if you have been learning English last 3 or 4 14 months, so they are most common way, but you need only a simple way, that is listening. You read more and more, but you have to listen with your ears. Okay, that is most important here. Okay, if you like the information, then please like, share the video, also subscribe this channel to see more videos like this, and see you in my next video very soon.